Did you know kale is one of the healthiest greens you can eat? Today, I am sharing easy kale life hacks that make healthy eating faster, tastier, and more fun. Sometimes kale tastes too bitter. Here is the trick. Add a little olive oil and lemon juice, then massage the kale with your hands for 1 minute. This softens the leaves and makes the flavor much better for salads and wraps, so give it a good squeeze to get them tender and ready to eat. For a healthy, crunchy snack, make kale chips. Toss kale with olive oil and a little salt, then bake until crisp for a simple and delicious treat. Bake at 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes until crispy. They are delicious, crunchy, and much healthier than regular potato chips for a snack today. Want faster smoothies for your busy mornings? You should try to freeze your kale in small bags right after washing them so they are ready to go. Now you can quickly blend healthy smoothies anytime without prepping again. Add chopped kale to scrambled eggs or omelets for a healthy breakfast boost. It is a simple way to get more greens into your morning routine. Kale adds vitamins, fiber, and color while keeping breakfast simple and tasty. To keep kale fresh longer, wrap it in a paper towel before storing it in the fridge. This helps absorb moisture and keeps your kale crisp for days. Stir kale into soups or pasta during the last few minutes of cooking. It adds nutrition without changing the flavor too much, making it a perfect healthy addition. Those were my favorite kale life hacks. Which one will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more healthy food ideas.